time to do our engine service again.
Hello, old friend.
So this is our second ever time doing it, and we feel like we learned a lot last year. Point of view, you are engine.
Come on, get on there.
So hopefully this year should be a little bit easier.
Don't say that. Thankfully this year we don't have to swap the alternator belts, which was possibly the worst bit. And also our friend James did our gearbox oil the other week as well. If you're looking for a slightly more in-depth guide of how we think you're supposed to do it, we made a video here, so go check that out if you're interested.
So we've already got all of our oil ready.
Alright, let's just dive straight in. First up, nice and easy, the air filter. This is by far the easiest thing.
I hate when that happens. Are you okay?
These clips have got some bite in them. First injury. Ooh, the comparison. Most of that is Rufus hair.
Yeah. Give it a good wipe out in there. Easy.
Nice. Engine service complete.
No. I'm up. So I'm going to pump out the old oil into our old container that we kept. Just try and get it all out. Okay. Oh yeah.
Got it. Don't lose that.
Now we turn this. Oh. Yeah, it's coming out.
Yay. First spillage. Oh. The container got full and we tried to swap and there was an error in communication. Now that's happened. Right. Okay. Go, Ellie, go! Are we done?
Yeah, I think so.
Nice. It's oil filter time.
Dun dun dun!
Last year, this was the worst bit. It was very stressful and it involved hammers and screwdrivers.
All year we've been really proud of ourselves and really confident because we bought this from Halfords, which we thought was like an oil filter adapter, but it doesn't fit and we don't even know how to use it.
We were so confident because we bought it after having a nightmare last year and we were like, right, next year is going to be easy. It's the wrong thing.
Doesn't fit.
Here we go. Right. Come on. Please be nice. Oh wow, it's off already.
What? No way!
Easy.
We're professionals now.
My legs are burning. Oh, she's off.
Oh wow!
Yes.
That was so much easier than last year. Cut to Wes struggling and moaning last year.
Oh,
Beautiful. We've been dreading that for about a year.
that's made 2023, that has. Apply a thin film of oil to the surface of the gasket. Get a bit of oil around the old gasket. Make sure it's got a nice seal. Wait, I can read it. Until it meets the base, then twist 3/4 turn. Okay. I don't really know when it's meet the base. Met there.
Yeah.
1/4.
We even had the screwdriver and hammer out, but we didn't need them.
I think that's on.
Yeah, you basically then just turn it on and see if it leaks.
Look how little oil I've spilt. Look at that. Okay, next job. Is that the right way?
Oh no. Those clouds look ominous. Quick, Wes. spin to your heart's content. Quick!
My heart is not content.
Yeah, that's water, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, now it's diesel. Turn it off.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nice.
Little bits of rubbish in there. That's our lovely engine. To it. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Come on.
Was this the hard one?
No, well, they both were, but I got this one off with my hands. Come on, oil filter go. So nice. Come on, definitely.
Wait, do we have to do this first?
Righty tighty.
So this year, seems like the fuel filter is the one that's giving us grief.
Probably been at this for about 20 minutes. My back feels like it doesn't exist anymore. Please!
We don't know if it's safe to do the screwdriver trick with the fuel filter. I don't see why it wouldn't be,
Well,
but...
the thing is that when we did it with the oil filter's right at the bottom, whereas I'd be like pushing it like at the rest of the engine, and it is full of fuel, whereas the other one, we'd already pumped all the oil out, so there wasn't a huge amount.
No. Careful, Wes, don't give yourself a hernia.
It's coming.
Careful! Careful, you've gone so red. Have a break. Do you need a drink?
Drink some oil.
Have some strong boy juice.
I thought that was the old oil. Give me the nectar of the gods.
Quick, have some...
You think it's strong? Try and get a fuel filter and an oil filter off without any tools. That'll humble you.
We're about to do something that we don't know is good or not.
Please don't shout at us. Last year we got a really good tip off that worked wonders. Where if you put your fuel filter on when it's full of fuel, you don't have to do the really annoying thing where you have to like get air out of the system.
So we haven't actually got any diesel that's out, and we don't want to siphon it out.
Last year we just poured a bit in from our reserve diesel supply, but we haven't got any. So I'm going to decant some out of this. Is that terrible? I mean, there's no point in me asking because you're going to see this in about a month's time anyway, so...
Let's see.
We'll find out. Here we go.
This is after it's been emptied, so it's fine. It's spilling all over.
Oh no.
I feel like this one's been a bit more reckless than last year.
It's because last year we were really scared because everything was new, whereas this year we're a bit like, we kind of know what we're doing. We don't.
The rain is coming
Booming.
quick. It's getting dark. Okay.
Here
Now
we
just
go.
put it on.
Easy. Okay, so it's made contact with the base. Let's just wipe it down a little bit. And then we just rag on this for a bit, don't we? Tag Damien to fill the oil. Last job, because we can do the alternator belts at any time, we just need to tighten them a bit. It's getting really gloomy. So also, we're mixing our new oil and this also new but different sort of oil, but I think
It's the same type. We've double checked. It's exactly the same type.
just a different
And we've googled it and it
brand.
says you can mix types.
Because otherwise we're wasting like 4 litres of oil. Ooh, maybe we should do that later. No.
Just in case it falls.
Yeah, that's fair. This is the forbidden Pepsi Max. Make sure you drink out the right bottle. It's happened, it's raining.
What are we going to do? What are we doing?
We need to do the dipstick and then run the engine. It's alright. We got it. Okay, oil is in, and we just need to run it for a minute or so. Help it push the fuel and the oil through the system and see if anything goes bang. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Nothing's going bang. Does it sound normal?
Yeah?
I think so.
Hey, we've got to do it again! Now we just got to clean up with our trusty tongs.
Same tongs that are meant for kitchen use that we use on our stove.
Honestly, I feel like tongs are one of the most important.
Yeah. 2 things you need for an engine. 3 things. Hammer, a spanner set, and some kitchen tongs. All cleaned out. We're just about to finish, and Amy's had a stupid idea.
Wes wanted to tighten the alternator bolt tomorrow morning. If we just do it now while we've got all of our dirty clothes on and we're literally in the engine bay, it makes so much more sense, doesn't it, Wes?
Yes! So I've got the official alternator adjustment device. It's a mooring pin. That's got a lift up.
They're not adjustable this time.
We're learning. Right.
Easy.
Hold still, engine. This won't hurt a bit. That'll do. Don't know if it's done anything, but my back's hurting. And it doesn't need much tightening anyway.
No, I didn't want to touch it. No! And then last job, I'm just cleaning out the engine runoffs because I did it last time and we've been keeping on top of it. Even though it's rained, the engine bay was still dry, so just doing that again. All new clean pads. Happy engine.
And just before it gets dark and rainy. We often can't get food from things like Deliveroo a lot of the time because we're too out in the middle of nowhere, but given that we're right next to Bath, there's loads of them around, and it's really good on that app because you can just put a pin down rather than having to use someone else's address and risk them knocking on someone else's door. I think, given how much we smashed that service, we have definitely earned ourselves a little pizza party. Thanks for watching us bumble our way through another successful service.
Massive thank you to our chip pals and those who got some chips this week. Thanks to Everyday's a Bonus for binging the channel, and we'll see you next time.